In today's fast-paced economy, the concept of passive income has gained immense popularity, especially as we look ahead to 2025. But what exactly is passive income? Simply put, it's money earned with minimal effort after the initial setup. This could be through investments, rental properties, or even digital products. As we navigate an ever-changing financial landscape, the significance of passive income cannot be overstated. It offers a pathway to financial freedom, allowing individuals to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and create a lifestyle that aligns with their passions and goals. In this video, we'll explore some innovative passive income ideas that are not just theoretical but have proven to work effectively in 2025. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your investments are working for you, giving you the freedom to spend time on what truly matters. Whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying more time with family, the benefits of implementing these ideas are life-changing. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of passive income and transform your financial future, stick around as we dive into some exciting opportunities that can help you achieve your dreams. Real estate crowdfunding has emerged as a compelling option for those seeking passive income in 2025. This innovative approach allows investors to pool their resources through online platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, enabling them to participate in real estate projects that might have been out of reach individually. By contributing a relatively small amount, you can gain access to a diversified portfolio of properties, ranging from residential developments to commercial ventures. One of the key attractions of real estate crowdfunding is the potential for attractive returns. Many investors have seen annual returns ranging from 8% to 12%, depending on the project and market conditions. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. Real estate markets can be volatile, and factors such as economic downturns or changes in local regulations can impact your investment's performance. Before diving into real estate crowdfunding, it's crucial to conduct thorough research on local regulations and market conditions. Understanding the landscape can help you make informed decisions and mitigate risks. So, if you're considering this passive income avenue, take the time to explore the options available and find the right fit for your financial goals. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a time-tested strategy for generating passive income, and companies like Johnson & Johnson and Procter & Gamble exemplify this approach. These well-established firms have a history of providing regular dividend payments, rewarding shareholders with a steady stream of income. This can be particularly appealing for those looking to supplement their earnings or build wealth over time. One of the key benefits of investing in dividend stocks is the power of reinvesting dividends. By choosing to reinvest your dividends, you can take advantage of compounding growth, allowing your investment to grow exponentially over time. This strategy not only increases your shareholding but also enhances your potential returns, making it a smart move for long-term investors. However, it's essential to remember that diversification is crucial when building a stock portfolio. Relying solely on a few dividend-paying stocks can expose you to unnecessary risks. By spreading your investments across various sectors and companies, you can mitigate potential losses and create a more stable income stream. So if you're considering dividend stocks as a passive income source, focus on a diversified approach to maximize your financial growth and security. Creating and selling online courses has become a powerful passive income stream, especially in today's digital age. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable provide creators with the tools to host their courses and reach a global audience. These platforms simplify the process, allowing you to focus on what you do best, sharing your knowledge and expertise. To succeed in this space, it's crucial to identify a niche that resonates with your target audience. Whether it's cooking, coding, or personal development, finding a specific area where you can offer unique insights will set your course apart from the competition. Additionally, creating high-quality content is essential. Engaging videos, well-structured lessons, and valuable resources can enhance the learning experience and encourage positive reviews, which are vital for attracting more students. However, simply creating a course isn't enough. Effective marketing is key to reaching a wider audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and even collaborations with influencers in your niche to promote your course. By combining high-quality content with strategic marketing efforts, you can maximize your passive income potential and build a successful online course business that continues to generate revenue over time. Print-on-demand or POD services have revolutionized the way entrepreneurs can generate passive income through custom merchandise. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble empower users to design and sell a wide range of products, from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and wall art. The beauty of POD is that you can create unique designs without the need for inventory or upfront costs, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to start a side hustle. One of the most appealing aspects of print-on-demand is the low financial risk involved. Since products are only printed after a sale is made, you don't have to worry about unsold inventory or hefty upfront investments. This model allows you to experiment with different designs and niches without the fear of losing money. To maximize your success in the print-on-demand space, it's essential to leverage social media for marketing your designs. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok can help you showcase your products and connect with potential customers. By sharing engaging content and building a community around your brand, you can drive traffic to your store and increase your passive income potential. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity, print-on-demand could be the perfect avenue for you. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending has emerged as an innovative way to earn passive income by connecting borrowers directly with investors. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper facilitate this process, allowing individuals to lend money to others in exchange for interest payments. This model not only provides borrowers with access to funds, but also offers investors the opportunity to earn attractive returns, often higher than traditional savings accounts or bonds. One of the key benefits of P2P lending is the potential for significant returns. Investors can earn interest rates ranging from 5% to 12% or more, depending on the creditworthiness of the borrower. However, it's essential to be aware of the risks involved. Lending money to individuals carries the possibility of default, meaning that borrowers may fail to repay their loans. This risk can vary based on the borrower's credit profile and the economic environment. Before diving into peer-to-peer lending, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance. Understanding how much risk you are willing to take will help you make informed decisions about which loans to fund. By carefully evaluating borrowers and diversifying your investments across multiple loans, you can mitigate risks while enjoying the benefits of passive income through P2P lending. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate a steady stream of passive income by promoting products from companies like Amazon and earning commissions on sales made through your referral links. The process is straightforward. You sign up for an affiliate program, choose products that align with your interest or expertise, and then share those products with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a percentage of the sale, creating a win-win situation for both you and the company. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to build a niche audience. Focusing on a specific area allows you to create valuable content that resonates with your followers, whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media. By providing genuine recommendations and insights, you can establish trust and credibility, which are essential for driving conversions. Utilizing social media platforms and blogs for promotion can significantly enhance your reach. Share engaging content that highlights the benefits of the products you promote and encourage your audience to explore them. By consistently delivering value and engaging with your followers, you can create a sustainable affiliate marketing strategy that not only generates passive income, but also fosters a loyal community around your brand. In this video, we explored a variety of passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and enhance your lifestyle in 2025. From real estate crowdfunding and dividend stocks to creating online courses and engaging in affiliate marketing, each of these strategies offers unique benefits and opportunities for generating income with minimal ongoing effort. By diversifying your income streams, you can create a more secure financial future. Now is the perfect time to take action and start your passive income journey. Whether you choose to invest in dividend stocks, design a course, or explore print on demand, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key to success lies in researching your options, understanding your risk tolerance, and committing to your chosen path. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our Wealth in Minutes channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also be interested in passive income strategies. Be sure to check out our related videos for even more insights and tips on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Your journey to financial freedom starts now, so let's get started together.